Howdy fellas! Check out these true wireless earbuds by Jabra. These Elite active earphones are made for sports. It is waterproof, it has active noise cancelling, and a 5-hour battery life. The package is very pretty. It contains the charging box, the earbuds, USB Type-C cable, a few replacement rubbers and some papers. The case is small and slim and provides additional many hours of power. The earbuds are large but comfortable and do not easily fall out of the ear. The sound and microphone quality and the noise cancellation are all good, but not as good as the more expensive Jabra Elite 7 Pro model. However, these are now on sale, so the price difference is higher than ever. The main concern when buying such buds is the microphone. However, I was pleasantly surprised when I heard no complaints during phone calls. Overall, these are great buds for a nice price. But if money is no issue and you wish to have the most crisp sound experience, you should get the 7 Pro. Keep it real, folks.